In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to set up what we call an action block. So how we do that is I'm going to come back over here to our video module. I'm going to go back into the long description. We're going to click on this little pencil icon here. And now we're back over here on the WYSIWYG editor. So I'm going to go ahead and click in the area where I want to display an action block. I'm going to come over here and click Insert Block. And next, I'm going to click this blue button here that says Add Action Block. And we've got another video that shows you how to set up a goal block. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. And now you see that I've got a choice. So we have 4 different templates for you to choose from. The first one allows you to have an opt-in form, meaning they're able to enter their name and email directly below the video, and then this name and email will go into your autoresponder. The next one, we have a button directly below the video, and when they click this button, it will redirect them to the URL of your choice. Then we have the action block where we have the video, and then we have an image below it. Now, obviously, this image can be as long as you need it to be. And then finally, we have a video with a text block below there, and you can choose what you want to display for the text. So for this demo, I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here. So I'm going to click Create Block. And now you see this little window has opened up. So what we're going to do is we're going to customize these fields right here, and you're going to see them change over here. So for the title text, I'm going to go ahead and say step number 1. Now you can put whatever you want here. We can actually put step number 1 and get your host. And so you see that it appears over here. This is exactly what it's going to look like. Next, we can come over here and we can choose a video that we want to appear in this area right here. Or we can click Add New Video, and then it's going to open up into the video library. So I'm going to click Go Back. And we'll go ahead and select a video that's already here. So I'm going to say this video right here is going to appear right here. Then if we want, we can go ahead and change the button text. So I'm going to say click for step number 1. And then here is where the button's going to link to. So I'm going to go ahead and put my address here, and I'm going to put step 1. It's completely up to you what you want to place there. Next, we come down here, and it's asking you, what do you want the block default mode to be? So it can be open like it is now. Notice how you can see the video and the button, or it can be closed where all you're going to see is this bar here, and then you're going to go ahead and expand it to open it. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it to open. Now we can come over here and we can click on color settings. And from here, I can change the text color, which is this right here. I can change the background color to whatever I want. And then we can do the same thing with the button. So if I want to have a blue button, and maybe I want to make this white text. And that's how fast we can go and change this overall style. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and set this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is white. Okay. And then I click Update Block. Now, as soon as I do that, it's going to place this placeholder right here on the page. It's not what you just set up, but this is just a placeholder. And if I ever need to edit that action block, I can just click this here, and it's going to open up once again. So as soon as we click Save Changes and Exit, we can see exactly what this action block looks like on the module. So I'm going to click Save Changes and Exit. And now we're going to come over here, and we're going to click on the View button. So here you see that we have the main module, and then if I scroll down here, here is our first action block. And notice it's in an open status. But if we want, we can go ahead and close this. And yes, you can have several action blocks on the same module. So we can have step 1, step 2, step 3, and so on. And that's how we go about setting up an action block.